For power and versatility in the kitchen, Avamix Immersion blenders are the way to go. Each blender includes a blending arm or 10-inch whisk attachment and can be used with any of the other blending arms available. They come in 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or 21-inch lengths. This allows you to choose the size you need and purchase additional attachments as your needs evolve. Blending arms are perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks like sauces and soups. Adding the whisk attachment extends the blender's versatility even more. For ease of use, the whisk attachment and blending arms quickly detach from the base. Each immersion blender features variable speeds. The different speeds give the operator better control over the blending action. Avamix immersion blenders are robust, with either a 2/3 or 1 horsepower motor operating at up to 16,000 or 18,000 RPMs respectively. Mix up your next culinary creation with Avamix.